Far from the noise of the city, deep within the mountains and dense forest, a couple lives in a small bamboo house, surrounded by nature. There are no crowds, no busy roads, only silence and the sounds of the wild. Life here is not easy. Food is limited, and clean water is scarce. They survive by relying on natural resources, gathering what they can from the forest and collecting fresh water from a nearby stream. The husband sits by the water and catches some fish. They will use these fish to cook and have their meal. The wife removes the fish scales and cuts the fish, preparing it for cooking. Meanwhile, the husband goes to the hillside where he has planted some pineapple trees and collects a few fresh pineapples. They cut the pineapples into pieces, and the husband and wife eat some to refresh themselves and ease their tiredness. At this moment, the wife collects fresh vegetables and spices from their small hillside garden, gathering everything they need to cook and sustain their simple, natural lifestyle. Now, all the vegetables are carefully washed with water and then chopped one by one. The husband helps the wife as they prepare everything together. Now they begin cooking. They place a large pot on the stove, add oil, then mix in the spices. After that, they add the fish pieces and vegetables and cook everything into a delicious curry. While cooking, the husband notices several foxes gathering around their house, trying to approach. He quickly grabs a sharp tool and chases them away, and the foxes run off. Finally, the curry is finished, and the pot is taken off the stove. Then they take some rice, wash it thoroughly with water, and cook it with the right amount of water. After completing the cooking, the husband walks toward the hillside, where he spots a banana tree filled with ripe, golden fruit. He carefully picks a few bananas and also gathers fresh banana leaves. Bringing everything back, they beautifully arrange the food on the leaves, creating a simple yet natural serving style. Sitting together, the husband and wife enjoy their meal, sharing a peaceful and satisfying moment. After finishing their meal, the husband and wife lie down on a hammock and enjoy the beautiful natural view of the mountains.